Namaste students, myself Sunil Kumar from the Department of Computer Science. Today we are moving to the next chapter. Chapter name is Web Designing, and today's topic is Introduction, Document Structure, Basic Tags, Text Formatting Tags and Images. We'll move to the topic now. Last year in the first PUC, we also discussed about the HTML, or we can say the basic tags. What we are discussing in this session, that all the tags we are discussed in the last year, and same topic is continuing here. Remember that one? Just remember the topics what we discussed in the last year. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a hypertext markup language, and it is designed by Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1990s. In the year 1990s, T.B. Lee designed the HTML language, hypertext markup language, and it is most widely used language to write the web pages. If you want to write the web pages, then mainly HTML language is used. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Remember that it is the most widely used to write the web pages. Hypertext, what is hypertext? Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages are linked together. Hypertext means how we can link the web pages. One text will be there in a web page, then by using that one we can link the web pages. That is actually the hypertext. Then the link available on a web page called hypertext. Some links will be available. Normally, if you open any web page, some links will be there. Click here, move, OK, go to the next page, redirect. So like that, some links will be there. So that links are known as hypertext. That links are known as hypertext. HTML documents are also called web pages. If you write the document by using the HTML, that HTML documents are also known as web pages. What is a web page means? Web page is HTML document. HTML document is also known as web pages. Now, HTML is a widely used format for web pages with the help of different tags available in HTML. In HTML, there are different types of tags are available. There are different types of tags are available in case of HTML. By using that tags, we are going to write the web pages by using the HTML. What is HTML? HTML means it is a hypertext markup language. Then this is the document structure. This is important. This they are asking for 5 marks. What is a document structure? A typical HTML document will have following structure. This is the structure of the HTML document. HTML head will be there, then body, then finally HTML. See first HTML tag. First HTML tag. Next after that in angle bracket head tag. In that head tag, after writing the head tag, inside the head document header related tag. In header related tag should be written inside the head. Then we are closing the head tag. Next we are going to close the head tag. After closing the head tag, next will be the body tag. Next will be body tag. Inside the body, we are writing the document body related tags. For example, body related tags are there. Many different tags are there. That we are going to write inside the body part. After that, later we are closing the body tag. After that, we are going to close the body tag. Then we are closing the HTML. Remember, HTML document is starting from HTML and closing with the HTML. So then we can see there are two parts are there in this. Inside the HTML document, there are two parts. One is a head part, one more is body part. Head part is mainly used for design. Head part is mainly used for writing the coding. If you want to write the code in case of HTML, head part is used. Inside the body, we are using a mini tag. Second part is body tag. The body tag is mainly used to design the web page. Remember, there are two parts. One is a head part, second one is a body part. Head part is mainly used for design. Head part is mainly used for coding, and body part is mainly used for designing the documents. Next, HTML tags. What is HTML tags? HTML markup tags are usually called HTML tags. Normally, in HTML language or in hypertext markup language, we are using some keywords normally. Normally, it is known as keywords. These tags are known as keywords. These are some keywords. For example, if you take the C++ programming, int, character, double, float, while, do while, like that different keywords are available. Some inbuilt words in a programming language, like that. In case of HTML, some inbuilt words are there. That words are known as keywords. That type of keywords are known as tags. Here, tags means it is a keyword used in a HTML language, hypertext markup language. And if you take the keywords should be surrounded by angle brackets. We have to use angle bracket. You can see one example: angle bracket, tag name, then closing bracket, less than symbol and greater than symbol. Normally say mass you say less than and greater than symbol, that is angle brackets here. So that angle bracket tag should be enclosed in the angle brackets. The first pair of tags is the starting tag, and the second tag is known as end tag. Normally in case of HTML, there are two types of tags are available. One is singular tag, one more is pair tag. One is a pair tag, one more is a single tag. Single tag means only one tag will be used. And in case of pair tag, there are two tags are there. One is a pair tag means one starting tag will be there, end tag will be there. Normally, first tag is known as start tag, second tag is known as end tag. There are starting tag and ending tag, or starting tag, closing tag will be there. The end tag contains a forward slash before the tag name. Before the tag name, it contains one forward slash. Start tag and end tag is also called opening tags and closing tags. Normally, in case of HTML, we are using the tags. That tags contain starting tag and ending tag. The starting tag and ending tag is also known as opening tag and closing tag. Except few tags are there. Some tags are there that is don't have the closing tags. Only some tags. For example, we will take some example. You can take one is BR tag. BR tag means is going to insert a new line break. If you want to insert the line break, we are using the BR tag that we studied in last year. So that tag does not contain closing tag. That type of some tags, not all the tags. Other than most all the tags have their corresponding closing tags. Open will be there and closing will be there. We'll see one example here. HTML. Normally we studied HTML structure we studied. So in that HTML structure, HTML is the starting tag. Next closing tag is open angle bracket forward slash HTML. So forward slash is there means that tag is known as end tag. Then in case of body tag, the first here body is given that open tag, and next closing tag is slash will be there. Remaining everything is same, but it contains one slash, that is the closing tag. Next, these are the some tags, basic tags what we studied. So the first one is HTML tag. Remember, in case of HTML programming language, case is not sensitive. It's not case sensitive language. If you take the C++, there is a case sensitive language, but here this is a not case sensitive, not a case sensitive language. You can write the HTML in capital letter. It is also possible to write the HTML in small letters. There is no difference in that. So remember that one. HTML is a not case sensitive language. The first tag what we discussed, that is HTML. Last year we discussed the same tag. This HTML. Once again I will explain what is that. This tag encloses the complete HTML document, mainly compresses document header represented by head and document body. Remember, HTML tag is a complete HTML document. It encloses entire HTML document. It means HTML starting tag will be the HTML and ending tag should be the HTML. Closing HTML. Starting tag of the HTML is starting, then end of the document is closing HTML tag. Then if we use the HTML tag, we are using two types of tags in that. One is head tag, one more is body tag. Head tag means HTML tag mainly divides the entire document into two. HTML tag mainly divides the HTML document into two parts. The first part is known as head part, and second part is known as body part. So head part and body part, there are two parts will be divided. The next tag is known as head tag. This tag represents the document's header. This tag represents the document header, which can keep other HTML tags. Can keep other HTML tags like title, link, etc. So we can keep some other tags inside the head part. The next tag is title tag. Next tag is title tag. The title tag is used inside the head part. Title tag is mainly used inside the head tag to mention the document title. To mention the document title, we are using the title tag. For example, if you open any web page, it will display the college name, sometimes some other names will be displayed. So if you want to display your name, HTML document name, then we are using the title tag. The next one is body tag. What we discussed is body tag. This tag represents the document's body. This tag represents the body of the document. So body of the document is mainly designing. Body of the document is mainly used for designing purpose. So head part is for coding purpose, body part is mainly used for designing purpose. So in that we can use different tags, different HTML tags we can use. We can H1, what we studied last year, H1 heading tag, BR line break tag, then P paragraph tag, like that. Different tags is possible. Not only etc is going here, means there are different number of n number of tags are available. N number of tags are available. All the tags we can use inside the body tag. Remember, if we use anything inside the body tag, that will be used for designing the web page. So we can design the web page how we want to view the web page. Like that we can design the web page inside the body tag. Next, HTML basic tags. So that are the HTML tags. Next we are going to discuss about the HTML basic tag that we discussed in the last year. So once again I'll explain. The first is heading tag. The heading tag. The heading tag, different size of your heading. If you want to give the different type of your heading, then we are using heading tag. Then we are using the heading tag. The different heading tags are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the different types of heading tag. H1 to H6. There are 6 heading tags are available in case of HTML. That heading tag, if you take the heading tag also contains starting tag and also ending tag. Heading tag contains H1 contains H1 closing tag also there, because starting tag is there in all the cases. H1 to H6 contains starting tag and also ending tag. The next one is paragraph tag. Next tag is paragraph tag. Way to structure your text into different paragraphs. It's a way to structure your document or text into different paragraphs. If you want to make the different paragraph, for example, one page is there. If you want to make the different paragraphs, then we are using the P tag. P tag. P means it's a paragraph tag. So if you use the P tag, the data will be aligned in a form of paragraph. Data will be aligned in the form of paragraph. First is P tag, second one is a closing P tag. Starting P tag and next one is a closing P tag. The next one is line break. Next one is line break, or if you want to give the break for particular line, if you want to write something in next line, so then we are using the line break tag. That is starting, if you use the line break or break tag, then next letter will be displayed in next line. So next, start from next line. The tag name is BR. BR is the tag that is for line break, what is known as breaking tag. Next, if you want to insert the horizontal lines, if you want to insert a horizontal line in your web page, if you want to insert a horizontal lines, then we are using the HR tag. HR tag means horizontal lines if you want to insert. For example, if you want to write something, we want one line, entire page. For entire page, if you want one line, we can use the HR tag. Used to visually break up the sections of a document. Mainly it is used to make the section, first part, second part, third part. Like that, if you want to make the section, then we can use a horizontal line or HR tag. The next tag is known as text formatting tags. Next tag is known as text formatting tags. The text formatting tags are, because this is important, they are asked the same question in 2 years. 2 years they ask the same question for 5 marks. Remember, text formatting tags. The first tag is B tag. B tag is also contains starting and ending tag. In all the cases, starting tag is there, ending tag is there. Tag name is B. It also contains starting and ending tag, or opening and closing tag is available in B. B also there. I, next U, strong and small. If you take all the things, it contains starting tag and ending tag. B tag that defines the bold text. B tag that defines a bold text. If you want to display your text in bold format, then we are using the B tag, bold tag. The next one is I tag. I means it is italics. If you want to display the letters in italics, then we are using the I tag. The next tag is U tag. U tag means it is underline. U tag means that is underline. If you want to display the data underline, or if you want to, some data is there, you have to display that data underline, means you have to use the U tag. U tag means that is used for underline. The next tag is known as strong tag. Next tag is known as strong tag. Strong means the data will be displayed in strong format. Like a bold, data will be displayed in strong format. The next one is small tag. Next tag is known as small tag. Small tag means data will be displayed in small text. Data will be displayed in, or letters will be displayed in small text, because this is the 5 important text formatting tags. One is B tag, I tag, U tag, strong tag, then small tag. B means bold text. If you want to bold the text, we are using B tag. Next, if you want to display the letters in italics, I tag. If you want to give the underline for your text, U tag. And if you want to display the strong text, then we can use the strong tag. Then if you want to display the text in small, we can use the small tag. Next, some other tags. Some are here that I 5 we discussed, again 5 tags. One is a sub, S-U-B. Some cases, if you want to display the subscript, for example x of 2, like that, if you want to display the subscript for a particular text, we are using the sub tag. Sub tag is used to display the text in a subscript, or if it will display the text in a subscript. The next one is SUP. SUP means it's a superscript. If you want to display x square, x cube, a cube, like that, if you want to display any data, then we are using the SUP, means superscript of text, or it is known as SUP tag. Next one is DEL. DEL means it is a deleted text. If you want to delete text, if you want to display the deleted text, so enables, or sometimes the data will be displayed not strong. So like that, if you want to display, then we are using the DEL tag. DEL tag that defines the deleted text. Then next, EM tag. EM tag that defines the emphasized text. That defines the emphasized text. The next one is INS tag. That is used to display the inserted text. Some cases we will insert extra text for your web page. At that time we are using the INS tag. INS means the inserted text. So sub tag, SUP, super tag, deleted tag, EM tag, and INS tag. The next one is HTML images. So this one also we discussed in the last year. So basic tags, text formatting tags, and HTML images. So what is a HTML image? If you want to make your web page good looking, if you want to make your web page good looking, then we have to use some images sometimes. Sometimes images are required. Without images, if you create a web page, no one is going to see. It is not attractive. Your web page will not be attractive. So you have to make your web page attractive. You have to add some images. You have to add some images. So if you want to add some images to your web page, then we are using the image HTML images. This will take you through simple steps. You can add by using the simple text, simple steps. You can add the images to your web page. But so only small or one tag is there. You have to use only one tag. You have to use. By using that one, we can insert the text. We can insert the images to your web page. Images are very important and beautifully, as well as depict many complex concepts into simple way in your web page. If you use the images, that will attract one thing. One more thing, it will explain the things in easy way. If you use the some images in your web page, that will explain the things in easy way. One thing. One more is it is very attractive. Like that, you can create the web page. So some complex things will be. If you want to use the without images, if you are writing, it will be 2 pages text you have to write. But instead of that one, if you use one image, if you use one image, that will be very attractive, and that is the most powerful actually. Easily it will reach the users, easily that will reach your customers. So like that, we can use HTML images. So if you want to insert image to a web page, if you want to insert images to a web page, mainly we have to use one tag that is known as img tag. Img means it is an image tag. Img, that is known as image tag. That image tag is used to insert the images to your web page. It will insert images to your web page. The img tag, it is a not contain closing tag. It is not closing tag will not be there. But remember that one, it have one attribute, main attribute. Not only one attribute, it has many attributes, but only one important attribute is there. If you forgot to that one, it's not possible to insert the image. The first and main attribute for image tag is src. src means it is a source. sourc, source. So what is the source of image? From where you are going to insert the image? It's possible to insert the image from Google. It's possible to insert the image from Google, or it's possible to insert the image from your text, your computer, wherever possible. From that is possible to insert the image. So you have to give the source. Means you have to give the full address of the image. You have to give the full address of the image, so that we can give in the form of source. So imgsrc, that you have to give the image URL. You have to give the URL of your image, that is HTML source. So from that source, data will be taken, image will be taken. So for example, whenever data is present on the desktop, whenever image is present on the desktop, so src equal to double colon, inside double colon, you have to copy the path. You have to copy the image path, and you have to copy that one. Then image name with the extension. We have to give the, with extension, we have to give the URL. Without extension, if you give an image, will not be displayed on your HTML. So remember, what is HTML tags? HTML tag is mainly important in this case, and we have to insert the image by using the img tag. By using the img tag, if you take the img tag, there are different attributes are there. Only one attribute I explained here, that is src. Other than src, name is there. Alternate text we can give. Alt tag, alt option, name option, like that different options are available. We can also set the height and width. It's also possible to set the height and width of the HTML images. Like that is possible to set the image or insert the image. Here we reach our end of session today. In this session mainly we discussed what is the HTML, hypertext markup language, and HTML document structure. If you take the HTML document structure, HTML is there, inside that head part is there, head opening, head close, then body opening and body close, then finally we are closing the head tag, HTML tag. So next some HTML tags we discuss, some HTML tags, basic tags, then after that text formatting tags, after that basic tags, then text formatting tags, then after that image, how to insert a image to your web page. That everything we discussed. So when you are going to work with HTML, remember that one. For your main work is open your system. If you have the laptop or desktop, open your system, go for notepad. First open the notepad, write the HTML document. Write the HTML document. In that, when you are going to write the tags, inside the body tag, you should write the different HTML tags. Inside the body tag, what we are going to write, that will be displayed. So you have to write the, inside the body tag, you have to write the different documents. Then after that, you have to close that one. And while going to save, give the save as format, any image, any name you can give. Then give the save as .html. Give the extension as image text. For example, your web page name is simple means it is a sample means sample.html, like that you should give. With the extension you should give the name, so it will be sample.html. Then close that one. Then if you open that one, then if you see the file location, in the file location the data, or one can see the one image, one icon we can see, that is based on your web browsers. If you use a Google Chrome, in a Google Chrome icon, you can see your sample. If you open that one, web page will be opened. Try to work out with the 1 or 2 HTML exams by examples. But here I'll wind up my today's session. Thank you.